Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to vectorize an image to SVG. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, got to prepare your image. Let's say, for example, just this image right here. All right. So I'm going to prepare it. Now, once that's done, you got to open up your favorite browser. And then just type down the URL box of freeconvert.com. All right. Again, freeconvert.com. Now, once you're in here, click on choose file from device or wherever. I'm just going to go and click on folder. Now, this image, okay, or your logo. Now, go ahead and click on it and make sure that it is highlighted. Now, click on open. Now, in the output section, go to drop down, make sure that SVG is selected. And then once that's done, you can click on the gear icon right here for advanced settings. The color mode, color to black and white, clustering, stacked or cutout, color precision right here, which is a number of significant bits to use in an RGB channel. You can use 8 right here. Gradient step, change it however you want. The filter speckle, change it however you want as well. And some other options. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it as default. Now click on apply setting, convert. If it's load, and then once it loads, you can have a download button right here. Just wait for it to pop up. And then once that's done, click on download. You can go ahead and hover over the drop down. You can save it to the Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, or directly save it to your device. You could even generate a QR code for this. Okay, save a device or save to device. Save it wherever you want, just like so. Wait for it, and now it's an SVG file. All right. And that is how you vectorize an image for free. And you'll notice that this one got finer details, unlike the original image. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.